Right, what I've done is I've realised it's probably easier just to download some stuff off the internet, Windows stuff, and just run it and see if it'll accept it. So let's start that. I have put my mouse, my thingy on there, the USB stick. So far it's stable and not crashing like it was before. So I'm thinking TRLE. We'll try downloading a TRLE to make a level editor game and see if I can get one to. You download it and then you run it, because I can't put things on the USB stick because I can't drag and drop it. It doesn't let me do it. I found the thing in the menu setting for bidirectional dragging and dropping through for VirtualBox, and it just doesn't work. So sometimes it does and often it doesn't. It's a browser. Let's go and download a TRLE. Oh, for crying out loud, what's this crap here? No. What are you telling me that for? Shut up. Bother me with this crap. I know which one I could download. I played it and I hated it and it was too hard. I've changed it. Crying out loud, what is this crap? I ain't been on it in ages and ages and ages and ages. Even as the boundaries, I hated this one. I'm going to download this one. See if it runs. I changed it. It's been, I haven't been on it such a long time. This website, at least a year, 2 years maybe. Alright, let's have a look at that. Because, see if I can run a TRLE on Linux through Wine. Downloads. Oh, it needs to go into a... Can I zip that as is? Because I need that. Let's put it in desktop. As a folder, I don't want it doing it in bits because it will... Oh! Windows 7! Now, where is it? It may not run this. Oh, it's on that. Put it in this one. And that's that. And I think it was that as well. Alright, let's see if we can run this. Will it work? This is Wine running this. Oh? Oh? Okay. Windowed. Let's leave it on this because this was very glitchy when you went under Windows. It's running it. Okay, try it. No. Oh, damn it. Okay. Try again. It often does the thing where it doesn't give you the bloody... Oh, you know what I need? You know what I need? I need, there's a launcher thing you can get. Ah. Maybe I should try running it for Windows. If you do that and it crashes, you can't reset it. There's what this is. This is on Windows though, to be fair to Wine. Give me. Oh man, it almost did it. Let's try running it for Windows XP. This is going to be XP era, right? Let's go add application. It's such a lot of fun. I love messing about with this. No, desktop. Maybe because it's not in the Windows thing. Let's do that. And then change that to XP. Try that. It kind of did it. Yes, there we are. Do we need... If you change these, a lot of these older TRLEs have an issue where they crash even on Windows. Video. It sees it's a different graphics. Oh yeah. No, hang on a minute. This is running on the virtual and it has an issue with 3D graphics, doesn't it? I forgot that. Try pulse audio. This might... It could be the virtual box though. I don't know if that's... Does it say what the problem is? Yeah, this is a 64-bit operating system. I don't know what the problem is. I'll try it, because that may not work, so what I'll do is go for a more modern... These buggers are probably loading on modern or even on Windows machines of the era. I don't know what it's something recent, yeah. Looks slightly different to WinRAR. TRLE 2. I'm going to try running that. Okay. It might be because that's quite an old version. Oh, it's running. Running. Hold on. Okay. I've not played this before. Okay, so this is the TRLE running on sorry. Excuse the stretch screen, I can't change this. I played TRLE in ages. Okay. It seems to be working. My CPU is going like... Yeah, that's quite high, to be honest. That's very high, actually. Okay. I'm not focused, hang on. Okay, I know what I've got to do. I thought it was something to do with the virtual box. Because some of these, there's a tool you can get, and you can run these TRLEs with a startup that you can define yourself. A lot of them don't really give you a menu to set up, whether it's 1632-bit or windowed or whatever, and some do, and the ones that do sometimes crash, like that last one. So maybe it's using some form of 3D. Can I just check my... Oh, that's running. That's running full screen. I can't get out of that unless I quit. I thought that was not in the window. It's running full screen like it would on Windows. That's taken over the entire desktop. But it's 640 by 480 and I've got a 1080 monitor, so I'm doing 1080 capture. It's funny. So what am I supposed to do on here then? Okay. Keyboard works. Slight sort of glitchy sound with the audio there. Might be my machine being a little bit slow or VirtualBox being a bit crap. Or there's some kind of incompatibility with the... It's not a regular level. There's a bit of audio glitch there. I'm using Relive or Relive at AMD, which is the one that uses my graphics card GPU. I do use OBS, but that thing lags really badly because it doesn't use my graphics card's GPU. I don't know why. It doesn't work with AMD, so... I'm going to go up here. So you can save. Well, how do you save on here then? If you save... does it save to the hard drive or...? This level is terrible, it's really bad. It's stretched because it's not windowed. And it's using an underskinned Lara from 204, so it's the standard look. And it's 640 by 480 and it's looking dodgy. Gaming on a... Can I shoot you? It doesn't kill them though, does it? They're already dead. What? I wonder what's down there. So if you installed it on a actual hard drive, it would be a lot faster because it's virtual box and it's notoriously dodgy on certain machines. Fairly old. I mean, I'm the 3rd Gen series, so Ivy Bridge. So this is going to be a little bit slow. If you run it on a modern machine, the lag should be a lot less. I'll put VirtualBox and put it on a physical hard drive. It's not going through that stupid Oracle front end thing, which is not very good. Get on that. No. Oh, yeah, Tomb Raider news. Lara Croft, Tomb Raider. It was all sold by Square Enix. Anybody who doesn't know. I'm sure I released a video a week ago talking about that when I got that Sony Vaio. That's not working. And I put Tomb Raider on it without a hard drive, and it went off the Windows 98 startup disk, which is amazing. And I was talking about it then. Tomb Raider has been sold to a European company called Embracer, I think, Swedish. So Square Enix does not own Tomb Raider, all of its IP, and they sold Lara. Is it going to crash? Oh, it works. Oh, I died. Let's see if these. No, yeah, slow down. Did that work? That works. So the save works. Okay. Okay. Yeah, because Square Enix sold the whole thing for about 300 million, and that was undervaluing it because they paid about 200 million for it, I think, 2009, 2008. So they could have sold it for $1 billion, and I think Microsoft and Sony would have loved to have gotten hold of that, but I don't know the ins and outs of it. But they sold the whole thing for very much less than it was worth, apparently, and they sold Crystal Dynamics and Eidos Montreal, so it's all gone to a European company, which is like, okay. And they are developing a new game, apparently, but they're not giving it a name as far as I know. Seems we're on the subject of Tomb Raider and I'm running it. There's a little bit of sound glitching. I want to see if this actually works and it's actually usable. This level's really basic and not very good. I said I wasn't going to do any more TRLEs, but here I am doing this awful level. What it's supposed to be, I don't know. Some people make TRLEs that don't take advantage of the latter day. Oh, that's cheating, Lara. Damn it. What's this other level? What's this other level? It's gonna crash it. Okay. Same thing, funny outfit. Oh, there's lava. But it's water. Some people make levels that don't really take advantage of the later reskins of Lara, and they make boxy, massive, huge levels and nothing in them. And yeah, well, she look like they. I need to put that little tool on, which is a loader thing. What are you dressed up like, Lara? I have no idea. Seems like it's working. So this is running through Wine on Linux. So this is just one weird level, just a random level I'm testing it with, and I can't get out of this room apparently. Yeah, I'll have one more little go because this video is going to be like all about this. This is not even funny. Oh, Lara, for Christ's sakes. Weird, it's weird. It's weird doing. I've done 100 TRLE levels and doing it in Linux on VirtualBox is kind of odd to me. It's like, what the hell? That's kind of weird. Like if I run and jump. It's not laggy at all. I mean, that's slightly, the screen is a little bit slightly choppy, very slightly, but the audio is slightly fuzzy. But I don't know if that's VirtualBox doing that. Could be. Are you supposed to get past this then? No, I've just gone back. Okay. That's a bit cheating, that is. I would say that TRLEs do work then, because if it wasn't going to work, it just wouldn't load these. I assume if you had it on a full install, this guy is not falling off. You can knock them off, but they're not doing it. Or, oh, there's a health pack there. Do I need that? I don't know. Sort of. I will say, it saves working. I don't know how wine does work within Linux, but oh, damn it. It seems to be working quite well, and the saves work, and that's nice. And if I go there, I'll be like, they don't fall off, seeing as they're already dead. Lara, you're not trying hard enough. What a fun level this is! I know what we're going to do, right? We're going to have this game, yeah, where we have like these platforms, and then people like love it because it's hard. Great. Just flipping great. And I'm recording it as well, which is kind of odd. On my AMD relive thingy. It's down that hole. Nothing but death, I should think. I need to go. What are we doing? Where are we going? That thing's coming after me. I think it would perform a lot better if you did install it on a physical hard drive rather than... this looks dangerous. I can't believe it's actually working at all, actually, because I didn't think this would actually run, considering how... like, you've got the VirtualBox, then you've got Wine, an emulator. Although Wine is not an emulator, and it isn't an emulator. It's like an emulator within an emulator, like having an Amiga and then putting ZX Spectrum or something on it. It's like an emulator within an emulator. Why am I on fire? Oh, I might as well just jump off here lower then. I don't think I can get past this one. Okay. It's one of them levels where nothing makes any sense. I'm trying to see if it will just crash out, because sometimes they do anyway, but... I'm not sure about graphics in terms of... if you install Linux on a machine, you got AMD or Nvidia or whatever, the graphics, does it work with the screen recorder software or not? I don't know if it does. I'm using the integrated one. This is the one that comes with the graphics card, and it's Windows obviously running the... it's based on the Windows side of things, but would that work in Linux? I don't think it would. What am I supposed to do in here then? We can get up here. It's that thing where you got to work out what you got to do. I don't know what I've got to do. Like, there's something there. Because I'm running it through the VirtualBox, that's an issue, because it's slightly not using all the power of my graphics card anyway. The game would be running. Oh, what are we doing? Plays alright. I mean, it is very slightly choppy, but that's this guy here. Oh shoot! What? Oh, we're just getting the ends and knees. Oh, he's coming down here. Oh. That thing's going to come down and hit me then. Oh, there it is. I knew it. Right, I'll stop there because I just... it's working. I'm quite surprised at that. There's an issue with the audio, but I don't know if that's part of VirtualBox. Or because of the fact that I'm recording it. Okay, that's working.